I also want to thank SUNation and all their workers for making this such a successful event and making this what we would call the perfect dual-purpose project. Not only does it provide alternative renewable energy, it is going to provide much-needed shelter for the animals.
About 6 years ago, I get a phone call from someone in the town, the engineering department, suggesting that they had an opportunity for a very unique and unusual project. We have worked diligently with the town to put this together. For me to finally see this happen is just absolutely wonderful. The synergy here was just so wonderful to be able to provide a really interesting concept. I think this is a project that can be recognized throughout the entire country as a unique project like this, where it's a win-win for everyone. You know, the energy that's produced supplies the energy for the building and excess going across the street over to the police station to be able to provide the shade for the animals during the hot days like today. I want to thank all the people from the town, SUNation, I said all of those that made this happen, so thank you very much.
Shoulder tight.